Shahad Shop, a digital reformation of rural agri-markets engaging farmers to bring a positive socio-economic impact during and post-pandemic situations. We are Team Shahad Shop, formed of three members, Subimal Chakma, Pritam Chakma and Arnab Chakma. Our vision is to establish a digital super shop model for rural agri-markets reforming the traditional model, which will promptly connect urban supply chain of food production and distribution with rural supply chain involving government institutions to build effective collaborations among different private public initiatives and unprivileged farmers communities providing their socio-economic status. Our mission primarily is to bring a positive socio-economic impact on at least 100 disadvantaged farmers' households and tackle this running pandemic period, who are all from different remote parts of Hill District, Khagrachori, and who themselves come to sell their own products in different local agri markets of Khagrachori city almost on a daily basis. And these farmers represent rest of the unprivileged farmers across the country who have been already become victims to the global pandemic COVID-19. Prioritizing the socio-economic development of the root level farmers across the country, many of whom are already facing crisis due to this COVID-19, Shahad Shop lockdown, relevance effectiveness into it. Our idea seeks permanent solution of conventional problem that will involve technology, government institutions, and provide income security of the disadvantaged farmers in a systematic way. Shahad Shop will institutionalize and centralize all root level personal agribusinesses through a digital agri card, which will register and ensure their identity as farmers. Digital Agri Card will ensure farmers' identity and access to our system. This Agri Card will upgrade into two different levels. At beginning stage of the application of card will ensure farmers' identity and collect the facilities and combine this. Digital Super Shop in the reformation of traditional rural agri markets will initiate digital agri cards to buy and sell procedure. Its model following B2B and B2C run the business circle. Proper distribution of action and management with the organized transportation system will provide customers with quality service and products reforming easy, secured and sustainable marketing. Agri clubs in several zones of project area will work as market information centers to know market price, cost, market situation in different levels, etc. Along with the traditional village leaders, educated and unemployed youths can be prioritized to appoint for different managerial posts for the agri club and shop centers, as they can adopt technological skills easily, and this approach will also give many employment facilities. Involving government organizations, NGOs, Bangladesh Krishi Banks, para development community, farmers representing several etc. can be held in different spheres of the region, which can be brought under our digital marketing model. Socio-economic impacts: ensuring social and economic security to rural farmers community, habituating farmers to digitalized markets, ensuring adequate production, introducing digital super shop model to remote and marginal people, etc. The design primary business model of Shahad Shop. The design of the business model draws the actual process of the reforming agri markets, expanding its range up to district to 20-kilometer level. Initial action plan of COVID-19. During the 4 weeks of advertisement and registration of remote farmers, an organized online survey will be conducted in Khagrachori district town to collect aggregate number of customers' information and opinions from the upcoming service that Shahad Shop is going to provide. Time plan. The initial duration of plan can be designed for a time frame of 6 months to get the initial reflection of the project to measure broadcast scale manifestation that can be expanded further for a broader extent. Conclusion: Shahad Shop is an innovative marketing system concerning farmers' socio-economic condition to achieve rural development criteria, promoting government policies, UN Sustainable Development Goals to achieve national progress. Shahad Shop is a sustainable business model to connect countries' remote farmer communities, technology that can find instant financial solutions to run rural-urban supply chain of food production and distribution across the country with no background of possible outcomes in situations like COVID-19. Submission of this project is a proposal to initiate a small-scale solution of a larger picture, adequate support and patronization from different wings of government and non-government institutions, ensuring its large-scale applicability. Our proposition does not concentrate on how to make billion profits, rather to bring digital reformation of backdated traditional rural agri markets that will ensure farmers socio-economic security, improving their businesses and their livelihood. Thank you.